Alright, I got another app for my Android phone, Big Button Sounds from, I don't know, Big Button Sounds. Here are some of the sound effects. Okay, we got this one. Loud crickets. Boing. Look at the names of these. Alright, let's see what we got here. I like this one. Mario. Crowd laughing. Say I'm vlogging and you like what I have to say. You can reply with hearty. Oh, oh, that's cute. Or for the more. Alright, that's enough. Or for the more dramatic moments. Say if I wanted to swear and use some naughty language, I could say, like, what the? I don't give a. My. For example, how do we get how to get this thing working? Oh my god. I love this one so much. Game show? What's it good? Or say, like, funny thing happened on the way to store. Get it? No. Yeah. Anyways, this oh. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank This one is not crazy about this one. No. Like, do I like this? No, I don't. Yeah. Alright. So, that was Big Button Sounds for. I don't know. It's not. My little my screen, my pop's not cooperating with me. Anyways, I think I've taken enough of your time. So, hello, I gotta click the stop button and end the video anytime now.